Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Whether you're here to compare apps, learn something new, or just stay updated, you're in the right place. Let's jump straight into it.
All right, guys. In this video, I'll walk you through how to use Quicken for managing your home business and rental properties. Let's get started. First, download Quicken and set up your account. Quicken offers a home and business version, which is perfect for managing both personal and business finances. This version allows you to easily track your business and rental property expenses all in one place. Now for rental properties, start by entering your property details. You can include all the relevant information about each property, such as the address, rent amount, and tenant details. Quicken lets you track income, maintenance costs, property taxes, and more. Simply enter each expense and income related to your property, and Quicken will organize everything for you. Next, for your home business, enter your income sources along with any business-related expenses. This could include supplies, advertising, or even travel costs. Quicken will automatically categorize your transactions, making it easier to manage your finances without needing to do a lot of manual entry. Quicken also generates tax reports that are a lifesaver during tax season. For rental properties, the software provides tools for calculating depreciation and other potential tax deductions, ensuring you're not missing out on important savings. You can even link your bank account to Quicken for real-time syncing of transactions. This ensures that all your expenses and income are automatically tracked without you having to manually enter every transaction. And that's it. By following these steps, you'll be able to manage your home business and rental properties with ease using Quicken. It will save you time and keep your finances organized so you can focus on what matters most. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.